We have the penetration tester, responsible for testing technology products for security loopholes. You may see penetration testing referred to as pen testing and ethical hacking or ethical hacking. A penetration tester's job role is to test the security of the systems and software within a company. This is achieved through attempts to uncover flaws and vulnerabilities through systemized hacking. Penetration testers exploit these vulnerabilities to evaluate the risk in each instance. The company can then take these insights to rectify issues to prevent a real-world cyber attack. Responsibilities: conduct tests on computer system networks and web-based applications, perform security assessments, audits, and analyze policies, evaluate and report on insights, recommending actions for attack prevention. Yep. We also have 2 learning paths, which we'll go through when the time is right. Well, also in my position of application security engineer, we do pen tests. We mostly do web application pen tests. We test APIs, endpoints. And yeah, that's a pretty cool opportunity that I have to do pen tests. On computer systems and on networks, pen tests that we do are basically from training right here on TryHackMe or Hack the Box or whatever else platform. But the main platforms that we train on and we do computer system pen testing and networking are on TryHackMe and Hack the Box. Obviously, for the certification of AGPT, we pen test on INE machines also. All right.